Everyone, it's Rajlaxmi and in this video I am going to show you how to make a paper flower. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first take a colorful sheet as you wish, which is 29 cm long and 11 cm broad. Paste glue on the single side and fold it like this, but don't press the middle portion. And now with the help of a scissor, cut it like this and keep it aside. Take a green color sheet of 29 cm long and 9 cm broad to make a stem and roll it like this. And now cut the both tips of the stem. Now take that pink sheet which we cut for making flowers and twist it on the stem. Now take a small piece of green colored paper for making leaves and cut it into zigzag manner. And now with the help of a glue, paste it on the stem. So yeah, that's it and our DIY paper flower is ready. Make 3 to 4 paper flowers of different colors and use it in your room as a decorative purpose. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you have any suggestion then please write down in the comment box.